Hello students, today we will do map based on lesson number 3 mineral and power resources. So in this we will be doing map of world and map of India. In map of world we will be showing the countries which are producing iron, copper, bauxite and gold, and also in India iron, bauxite, copper and gold, the states. And China's capital, Brazil's and Russia's, and everything is written. And USA we know by Washington, and Russia is the largest country in the world area wise. Number 2 is Canada, then USA, China, Brazil, Australia, and 7th is India. And gold is found in, if whenever you think about gold and diamond, go just to Africa. In African continent, Congo, Kinshasa capitals, and then South Africa. So rather surprisingly, South Africa is having 3 capitals. We know that there are 3 organs of the government: executive, legislature and judiciary. So the 3 different capitals for them. For executive, Cape Town for legislature, and Bloemfontein for judiciary. And we must know, we should know that South Africa has one of the best constitutions in the world. So then these 4 reasons we are to show, and then map of India. So let us start with map of world. Yes, in this we will be showing first of all these 4 regions. Canadian Shield. So we know that Canada is in North America. So this is the place known as, or region known as, Canadian Shield. Then second one is the Appalachians. This is in fact a mountain range, and it extends from USA to Canada. This region is rich in minerals. And then next one is the Western Cordilleras. Of course, western side again from farther these to Canada and USA. And then the Superior Lake. So these 4 regions are asked in our textbook to show them. And now let us start with the map word. First of all is iron in, we are to show iron in China, Brazil and Russia. So we know that this is India, and above India it is China. So here we can show that this is full iron, the whole of the country of China, and here it is the mine of or area of regions of gold, irons. And then this is Moscow, and all this is Russia, and Moscow, Russian's capital. And here iron is found in abundance. And then is the next country in Brazil. Brazil is South American continent. So here this is Brazil. Here we can show this is the region where iron is found in abundant in Brazil. Now the next is copper. For copper we are to show Chile, Canada and Zimbabwe, rather Zambia. So this country is, this is in, again let us change it color, go for copper, Chile for copper, and also Canada. We know this place, this region is rich in minerals, and this region, this is Canada. And the third country is for showing that copper is Zambia. So this is Zambia is, and this is Africa, and in Africa this country is Zambia. Zambia. So here copper is found in abundance. Next we are to show bauxite in US, Brazil and Australia. US we know, okay, this is US and this is the region where these minerals are found, these resources are found. And Brazil we already know. Again we can show here in Brazil, this is Brazil, and then Australia. In this part we have bauxite in USA, Australia and Brazil. Then next is number 4, gold mines. Gold mines are found in Congo. Name of the capital is Kinshasa. This is Congo. This place is, or this is Congo country, Republic of Democratic Republic Congo. And then the second country for we have gold is Africa, South Africa. So this is South Africa, the country with amazingly 3 capitals. I was also wonderstruck when I came to know that the country is having 3 capitals. So these are the countries having the different minerals, say iron, gold, copper and bauxite. And after that, now we will be showing these minerals on the map of India, and we are to show the different states which produce them in abundance. First of all, we have iron in Jharkhand and Odisha. Jharkhand and Odisha. So this is Jharkhand, and under it is towards south, we should say, while doing map, it is Odisha. Then bauxite, again the 2 states are to be shown. Bauxite again Jharkhand and Odisha, these are the states which produce them in abundance. Then copper, Rajasthan and MP, that is Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, this is Rajasthan, we can change it, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, MP for copper. And for copper, and we have shown this for these 2 states for iron and bauxite, and for copper and Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh have been shown for bauxite. And the next one is gold. Gold is found in, especially most of the time it was known as Kolar gold mines, and now the production has stopped there, and other place is Hooghly. This is also both these gold mines are in Karnataka. So in Karnataka, first is this Kolar district. Let us change it. Kolar district for gold, and also this place again in Karnataka known as Hooghly. So here we know that it is gold. So these are the states of India which produce these minerals in abundance. gold Kolar mines or Kolar gold mines and Hutti, and Hatti is also known as and the name of the state is Karnataka. So this is all for the map of chapter number 3, mineral and power resources. So you can do it, practice it of your own. Thank you students.